Okay, welcome to the channel. I'm going to do a quick video on a short squeeze play that I just did. But right here, we started accumulating. So right here, we had support. All right here, we had support. Okay. The reason we had that is because of all these longs. And also, you had a stacked and balanced area right here. But this is what I was looking at is right here. I was looking at if we take these shorts out right here, if we took those shorts out, big contracts, big contracts, big contracts, if we took that out, we could possibly get a nice little squeeze. And that is exactly what just happened here. If we look at this, let's zoom this in. If we look at this, you need to be looking at a 5-minute chart to see the overall picture of the market and where we are at. So you had some shorts here that are making money. You had shorts here that are making a little bit of money. Now we start drifting up. And once we start drifting up and these shorts are taking a little bit of pain, they know that once we break this area, we could come up and test the 380 area. So that's exactly what happened. So I was looking at it, and then right here you had a nice candle. This is a 40 range chart. So what we had on this 40 range chart, we had a stacked, double stacked imbalance area. The Heiken Aschke smooth lines, they are sloping upwards. So the momentum is definitely up. I mean, it's pretty obvious as you can see here. But then we had all these large buyers. These limit orders, these buy limit orders were getting filled. That's why you see these bubbles. Then you saw that ellipse. That's like 50 or more contracts. So what you want to do is when you break the high of that, and then once you saw that persistent buy-in, you just go ahead and start getting in. Now, once you start seeing the sellers up in here, the seller up in here, once you start breaking through that, you might want to get out. But that was a nice 20 point run. So that was like $400 on one contract. That is how you play the pain of the other traders. When you see large contract sizes, these ellipses are large contract sizes, 50 or up. Some of them are 100, 150 contracts. These are contracts these are contracts that got executed, and that these are large contracts that are short. So what happens is when they get like 20 or 30 points, they're taking a lot of heat for that. Okay, so that's all I wanted to do was go over a nice short squeeze that I got a little bit of money out of, about 40 points out of that. So that was a nice little squeeze. I just wanted to go over this to show people, hey, this is how you play the pain of these other traders and these trapped sellers or trapped buyers. And as you can see here, let's go ahead and remove this. If we scroll back here, you'll see another one right here. Right here, we are sloping upwards. We've got imbalance area right here and imbalance area right there. Those are the green lines. I got a small little scalp on that. I think it was like 5 points, just small little scalps. But then once I see a trapped seller, this is a large seller of 50 or more contracts for one order. And then once you break that high, you got persistent uh, buy-in as well. You can come up here, and then once you break the low, you go ahead and get out for about another 15, 20 points. So that's what I wanted to go over real quick and to give people some ideas of how you can trade this. I'm going to be putting up a longer video and the game plan of how I actually trade this and how I can uh, get like $500, $1,000 out of the market daily. That's all I have. Thank you very much.